Welcome back. This is Mukul Yudhveer Singh for ET Auto. We are here at 2025 ACMA, and standing with me is a legend, Mr. Nirmal Minda. Nirmal sir, how are you?
Thank you very much. Nice meeting you. Pleasure, Mukul.
Perfect. Sir, when you started Uno Minda and the time now, why I say so is because it was started from scratch when you did it, and today the component industry is moving towards a new trend of system integration. How do you see this? Do you see this as a challenge or as an interesting opportunity?
No, for us it is a very, very great chance and opportunity. In fact, if you look at our history, something about 10 to 12 years ago, we started system integration in the two-wheeler. Whatever the handlebar assembly you see in any of the two-wheeler, whether we supply almost 70% to Bajaj and TVS, Suzuki, so all that handlebar assembly, which includes sometime it is a steel handlebar, sometime it is a casting handlebar, grips, switches, so all those systems, so we supply as an handlebar assembly, as a complete system integration for the last almost more than 12 years. So that is on the two-wheeler side. For four-wheeler side, we have a very, very good chance and opportunity. You may know that we have a joint venture with Toyota Gosei, South India we call. In there we supply the complete instrument panel to Toyota and Maruti in Bangalore. And with that instrument panel, we are in the display, we are in the infotainment, we are in the switches, we are in the steering wheel. So whatever you touch and feel in the dashboard assembly, we are already supplying them as a component. So we are working, and in fact we have our own design studio. So we give the kind of a cockpit design to all the OEMs, and they can select, okay, which part need to be fixed depending upon the competency and technology. And then we can buy, either we may be manufacturing, but we may be also buying and supplying them. And we also supply, let's say, in wheel assembly. We manufacture alloy wheel. But not only alloy wheel, we make a complete tyre assembly and supplying to Suzuki Motor Gujarat. Our plant of this sub-assembly is within the Suzuki premises. So there we buy tyre, all are nominated supplier, and then we do whole assembly and then ship it to the Suzuki Motor.
Interesting. But in terms of the newer fuels, especially let's say electric powertrain, do you see this system integration happening also on the powertrain level?
No, powertrain, let's say they were disintegrated powertrain. So now that we have signed an joint venture with the Chinese company called Innovents, so there they have motor integration, they have inverter, they have DC-DC converter. So they were all working as a separate part.
Sir.
Now we have 4-in-1, we have 6-in-1, we have 3-in-1. So all these 6-in-1 means 6 part together is a system. So it depends upon the customer, packaging and all that. Whatever they want to buy, we are flexible.
Interesting. But do you think that OEMs are now getting more aligned towards system integrators than mere component suppliers?
So OEM to OEM, the strategies are different. Some people wanted to do something in-house, something outside. Some people wanted to manufacture some part in-house and then they will give it to the supplier for integration. So OEM to OEM, the strategies are different.
Interesting. One last question, Nirmal sir. The industry leaders say that this is the best time to be in India for automotive especially. Do you agree? If yes, why?
Yeah, I totally agree. I would say we are fourth largest manufacturer as of now, sometime third, sometime fourth. But we have opportunity to grow. We are 4 million. China is number one with 30 million. Four-wheeler, I'm talking PV. So we have a long way to go. But there is a very good opportunity provided as, we continue to develop our own R&D, our own self-reliance, very good quality, international, because not only in India, we have to be global, to be competitive global and technology global.
Thank you, Nirmal sir. This is Mukul Yudhveer Singh signing off for ET Auto.
Thank you.
Thank you.